The law of attraction is real. What if I told you that the universe just proved to me beyond any shadow of doubt that the law of attraction is absolutely real? Not through some massive lottery win or incredible coincidences, but through something so simple, so ordinary that it is actually mind-blowing. But first, forget everything you have heard about manifestation. Wait, don't go anywhere. Because what I'm about to share is not about vision boards or spending hours meditating. It is about something that happened just yesterday that completely changed how I view reality itself. You see, most people get manifestation completely wrong. They think bigger is better. They jump straight to manifesting millions or their dream house. But what if I told you that the real secret to unlocking the law of attraction starts with a cup of coffee? Yeah, you heard that right. Yesterday morning, I decided to try something different. Instead of my usual manifestation practice, I chose the smallest, simplest thing I could think of: a free coffee. Not a specific brand, not from a particular place, just a free coffee. Now, here is where it gets interesting. I did not spend hours visualizing it. I did not create elaborate affirmations. I simply planted the thought like a tiny seed and let it go. Completely let it go. And what happened next is going to change everything you thought you knew about manifesting. Before I reveal what happened, let me share the 3 biggest manifestation mistakes I see people make every single day. These are not just minor setbacks. They are manifestation killers that could be blocking your success right now. The desperation trap. Imagine checking your phone every 5 minutes for a text from someone you are interested in. That anxious energy, it is like kryptonite to manifestation. When you are in this state, you are actually pushing your desires away. It is like trying to grab water. The tighter you squeeze, the more it slips through your fingers. The perfectionist paradox. You have probably seen those perfectly curated vision boards on social media. Here is the truth. While visualization tools can be powerful, obsessing over every detail creates resistance. It is like trying to control every wave in the ocean instead of learning to surf. The quantum leap fallacy. This is where most people start trying to manifest their dream house, their perfect partner, and $1 million all at once. It is like trying to run a marathon without ever having jogged around the block. Your manifestation muscle needs to be trained just like any other skill. Let me show you what actually works. I call it the micro manifestation method. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your micro target. Pick something so small that your mind cannot reject it as impossible. A free coffee, a perfect parking spot, or even just seeing a specific color throughout your day, or seeing a specific number on any car's number plate. Step 2. The 10-second plant. Instead of long visualization sessions, take just 10 seconds to plant the seed. Here is exactly how. Take one deep breath. State your intention once, clearly and simply. Smile and let it go completely. Step 3. The detachment game. This is where it gets fun. Turn it into a game instead of obsessing over your manifestation. Get curious about how it might show up. The universe loves creativity, and when you are playful, you are actually more aligned with receiving. Let me take you through what happened in my mind during this process. At first, there was that familiar doubt. You know that voice saying, "This is too simple to work." But instead of fighting it, I acknowledged it. "Hey doubt, I see you, but we are just playing a game here." Then something shifted. Without the pressure of trying to manifest something huge, I felt this unexpected sense of freedom. It was like finally taking off a heavy backpack I did not even know I was carrying. When my phone rang and I heard my brother say, "Hey, I have got this coupon for a free coffee," it hit me like a bolt of lightning. It was not just a free drink, it was a clear message from the universe. But here is what makes this story different. It was not just about getting a free drink, it was about discovering a completely new way of working with the universe. Let me give you 4 concrete actions you can take right now to start your own micro manifestation journey. Take a notepad and write it down. First, the reset ritual. Take everything you are currently trying to manifest and put it on a pause just for the next 24 hours. Clear the manifestation state. Second, the micro challenge. Choose 3 tiny things to manifest this week. They should be so small that you actually laugh at how easy they seem. Examples: finding a feather, someone wearing your favorite color, hearing a specific song. Third, the detachment dance. Every time you catch yourself checking for your manifestation, do this. Take one deep breath. Say, "I trust the universe timing." Immediately focus on something else. This builds your detachment muscle while keeping your energy light and playful. 4. The evidence journal. Start a tiny journal of only successful manifestation. No matter how small, this builds your confidence in the process and creates a powerful reference point for bigger manifestations later. So there I was sitting with my free coffee, having this profound realization the universe had just demonstrated something incredible. That manifestation is not about forcing massive change through sheer will. It is about learning to dance with the universe, starting with the smallest step. This is not just about coffee, this is about understanding that manifestation works on the small things first, building your confidence for the bigger dreams you are holding in your heart. Because if you can manifest a free coffee through these simple principles I have shared, just imagine what else is possible when you finally understand how to work with the universe instead of against it. If you want to master the secret behind turning everyday desires into reality, watch this next video where I break down the quantum manifestation protocol step by step. Trust me, you do not want to miss it, and it builds on everything we have discussed today. Click the end screen now to discover the step-by-step process that is changing lives. And do not forget to subscribe for more manifestation insights that actually work.